You're welcome to another episode of Let's Solve Mathematics. In this episode, we'll be looking at compound interest. Compound interest is a business mathematics. It's a mathematics where we calculate interest that have accrued over some time, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and beyond. But the first question we're going to be looking at here is interest that have compounded, that have accumulated for 2 years. So the question says, find the compound interest on 60,000 naira for 2 years at 8% per annum. Now, per annum means yearly. So something that happens once a year, yearly, you said it's per annum. Now, for this, they said our principal is 60,000. Principal is 60,000 naira. And the time, the period is 2 years, and then the rate percentage is 8%. Now we are asked, said, compound interest for 2 years. So let's calculate the first year first. So in the first year, what was the interest that was made? First year, 8% means 8 over 100 times 60,000, that's the principal. So this 2 0 cancel out this 2 0. So we have 8 times 600. 8 times 6 is 48. So it means that in the first year, at 8%, the interest that was gotten was 4,800. So at the end of the first year, the interest, the principal becomes 60,000 plus 4,800. 4,800. So this becomes 64,800 naira at the end of the first year. At the end of the first year. So second year. Second year, we have 8% of 64,800. So this 2 0 will cancel this 2 0. So at the end of the first year, we have 8 times 6. So 8 times 8 gives us 64. Right, 4 carry 6. 8 times 4 gives us 32 plus 6, 38, carry 6. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 3, 51. So we have 5,000, we have 5,500, 5,184. Now, that's 5,184 they got at the end of this second year becomes end of second year becomes 64,800 plus 5,104. At 4, 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, and then 4 plus 5 is 9, and half this. So at the end of the second year, we have 69,984. So the compound interest that have accrued for 2 years becomes 69,800. 69,984 minus 60,000, which was the principal at the beginning of the year. So our final result will be 489 9 9. Okay, so at the end of 2 years, 9,984 naira will become the compound interest. That is the interest that I've accumulated for 2 years. Now, this is another question. This one is the amount for 3 years. Take down this question and give it a try. Having tried it, let's do it together and see how it goes. Said find the amount that 5,000 becomes if saved for 3 years at 6% per annum compound interest. Now we have 5,000 at the beginning of 3 years, 5,000 at the beginning of 3 years, and we save this money at the interest of 6%. So 6% means 6/100 times 5,000. So this 100, this becomes 5 times 6 times 5 is 30 plus this 0, so we have 300. So at the end of the first year, we'll have an addition, so say first year. We have addition of 300 as 0, 0, 3, 5. So we have this at the end of first year. At the end of second year, by 6% as well, we have 5,300. So we have 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 5, 30 plus 1, 31. So we have addition of 318. 318. So we have 8, we have 1, we have 6, we have 5. So at the end of third year, we have 6% again of 5,618. So this 20, we'll move our point like this and have this. So we have 6 times 5, 6.18. So 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6 plus this 10. 6 times 6, 36 plus 1, 37. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 3, 33. So we have 2 decimal places. So we have 1, 2. This becomes our decimal place. So we have addition of 337.08. So 8 comes down, 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1, 2, 5. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 5. So now this means at the end of the 3 years, our 5,000 naira becomes 5,955 naira. 5 naira at the end of the day. So this is how to calculate the amount that accrued over a particular principal over a period of time. Thank you for being there. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment. See you in the next